So hello guys, and welcome back to our channel, and we are back with another video on this channel, and we are going to be talking about an explosive coin that has increased a lot in the past, and we're going to be talking about what the upcoming opportunities for this coin could be, because this coin is about to be huge. It's about to make a huge announcement very soon. So we'll be going over that, and we'll be talking about what that announcement is and how it can affect the price of this coin. So we're going to be taking a look at VeChain today, which is a fairly new coin, and it is the Solana coin. So that's what we're going to be talking about today, and we're just going to be taking a look at recent news articles and the price movements of VeChain. So let's get right into the video. Before we do start, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So let's get right into the video, and let's head over to our screen. So if we go, just head back to coinmarket.com real quick, and we can just check the price of VeChain real quick. We can just take an overview of what's happening right now, and it is at about 0.44 cents currently, but it has seen a lot of, even if we just take a look at the past 7 days, VeChain is the third most moved coin in the past 7 days. Crazy movement. 50% is very huge for VeChain. So we're just gonna be taking a look at what's happening right now. So if we take a look at our daily graph, we can see it's down about 3.7% in the past day. And if we just take a look at our market cap, we are at around 3.2 billion. So crazy, even for a small coin like this. Crazy market cap rolling into this coin. We are seeing huge movements. If we could talk about the volume, we are at around $214 million right now, down about a huge 63% from yesterday. So yesterday we did have huge volume in this coin, so we are also gonna see huge volume in the upcoming times also, because this is gonna be huge very soon. So yesterday we did have huge volume, but we are down now. And if we take a look at today's graph, we are seeing not too much price action. We did just move down about a couple percent, and we did go about to around 0.4334, and we are back to 0.4466. But if we take a look at the 7-day graph, this is where the magic is actually happening. So in the past week, we are up around 50.31%. Crazy numbers for this coin to see. As you can see, the first couple of days of the week was pretty flat. 0.029, that's where we started off the week at. And if we take a look at this increase that it started, we can see it started slowly and gradually, and we made it all the way up to around, let's see if we can get that top. We did make it all the way to around just the 5-cent range. So that's where we did come back, and we did just have a little bit more retracement, but we had a slowly and gradual rally all the way up to around 5 cents, and we are down just a little bit from that top point, and that's what we are seeing in VeChain right now. And if we go to Google, and if we just look up VeChain, we can see tons and tons of articles on VeChain talking about how this is the next huge things. We can see set to make new huge announcement, possible 15x explosion coming soon. Despite a 40% jump, here's why the price remains unconditional. We can see much news articles on this coin. So let's take a look at this article right here by Crypto Basic. We can see that a prominent analyst has argued that VeChain VET is set for a 1480% rally to an explosive all-time high after a recent forecast materialized. So this is just talking about the recent times of what's been happening in VeChain, and this is the graph that we are talking about what's currently happening VeChain right now. So it's basically reflecting a previous time in history back in 2021 when we had the bull season. So this is heading back to the bull season, and when we did see this specific price action in the past, we did see a huge up rally, and that is also what we are seeing right now, and we are set for another huge up rally to the upwards direction, and we could possibly hit 27 cents, which is 27 cents was our recent all-time high, and this time we could possibly hit very high numbers all the way up to around 70 something cents. So we are set to huge futures in VeChain coming next, huge price changes, huge announcements. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we did talk about what VeChain is seeing in the recent past, the recent crazy 50% increase in just under a week, if we say, and we are set to make huge gains also in the upcoming future very soon. So VeChain is set to new probably the next Solana we can possibly predict, and that's what we are seeing in VeChain right now. So if you did enjoy, and if you are new to this channel, do make sure to check out my daily live streams I do on this channel, talking about any recent crypto movements, any recent price changes that has happened in the crypto market. So do make sure to tune in daily for that live stream. And I also create long form content like this on this channel, talking about any recent great price changes that any cryptocurrency has seen, and any recent patterns that a cryptocurrency is seeing. So do make sure to check those videos out also for trade opportunities. So that was about it for this video, guys. If you did enjoy, click the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about these videos, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos like this. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.